going with the other pack of Contendos. Oh. Sorry about that. Alright, here you go. Herschel Walker, Traquan Smith, Julio Jones, Big Ben, Gallup, Johnson. Wow. Dual autograph of Jarrett Stidham and Darius Slayton. Alright, let's see. Dual auto. Oh, there's the number. I didn't see it first. It is numbered out of 10. 7 out of 10. Darius Slayton, Jarrett Stidham from Auburn. Connections. Very nice. Cool, cool, cool. Dual auto. Out of 10. Brady's replacement. That's right. That's right, that's right. That's a big baller card right there. A.J. Brown. A.J. Brown. Will Greer. Will Greer. Bobby Bowden and Deion Sanders, prime time. Deion Haskins, 2019 draft class. Legacy, Earl Campbell, Ricky Williams. Alright, alright. Zeke, Brady, Josh Rosen. Alright, man. There you go, Shane. Very nice, man. Nice dual auto out of 10. 10, 10, 10. Alright, guys. Appreciate it. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Catch us on YouTube and Breakers. Thank you. Have a good one.